Unraveling, in simplified terms, a guide to clarity. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase, in simplified terms. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English comprehension but also improve your ability to communicate complex ideas more clearly. So, let's get started and explore what it means to explain something in simplified terms. In simplified terms is a phrase that signals a desire to make a complex or difficult idea easier to understand. When someone uses this phrase, they're about to rephrase a concept in a way that is more accessible or straightforward. This is especially useful in educational contexts, technical explanations, or any time you're dealing with intricate subjects. Using in simplified terms has several benefits. Enhances comprehension. It helps ensure that your audience understands the core idea without getting lost in technical jargon or complex details. Increases engagement. Simpler explanations are easier to follow, keeping your audience interested and engaged. Improves communication. It fosters clearer communication, making it easier for people of different backgrounds or levels of expertise to understand each other. Let's see, in simplified terms, in action with a few examples. Science. Instead of explaining the process of photosynthesis with all its chemical reactions in terms, you could say, in simplified terms, photosynthesis is how plants make their food using sunlight. Economics. Instead of detailing the intricacies of macroeconomic theory, you might say, in simplified terms, it's about how the overall economy operates and grows. To effectively use in simplified terms. 1. Identify the core idea. Understand the main point of what you're trying to explain. 2. Consider your audience. Think about their level of knowledge and what terms would be most familiar to them. 3. Simplify. Don't oversimplify. Aim to make the explanation easier to understand without losing the essence of the concept. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use and understand the phrase, in simplified terms. Remember, the goal is to make information accessible and understandable, bridging gaps in knowledge and fostering better communication. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Stay curious, and keep learning.